Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Nemewe channel analytics. Nemewe has uploaded 660 videos. He now has 2.81 million subscribers with a total view of 1,184,645,434 views. He's from Malaysia, and his channel type is entertainment. He created his channel since September 29, 2006. The grade he got is B+, and his Social Blade ranking is at 7,108th. The subscriber ranking is 6,220th, and then video view rank is 4,194th. He ranked at 13th in Malaysia and 1,875th in entertainment. Next, the daily subs for Nemewe is around 334 with a daily view of 653,886. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 580,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $2,600. Then, monthly income will be $78,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $42,900 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $514,800. That is how much Nemewe earns from YouTube.